Starting in a family-owned business back in the early 90s, those values I wanted to bring to my employees. I'm Jason Aquila, and I'm the owner of Willoughby Hills Auto Repair and Don's Cars. Our mission statement, and we use it often, is started by our family to serve your family. We fix cars, but we're serving the community in other ways. We do a lot of charity work. We're helping single mothers get to work and be able to raise their kids. We serve. That's what we do at Willoughby Hills Auto Repair and Don's Cars. We don't just fix cars.
I work at Willoughby Hills Auto Repair as an auto technician. I've been there since I was 16 years old. It feels weird calling him my boss. Like, Jason's more of a friend to me than a boss.
I've never had a boss anywhere like him, and he's more of a friend to you than he is a boss,
Jason's one of the best people I've ever worked for. He's just a great guy, and he truly cares about you and your family.
So it's a 5-day work week, Monday through Friday, no nights, no weekends. We offer full benefits. Definitely looking for people that want to be on a team, that want to feel like they belong and work in a great environment that has plenty of room to grow.
This is a place where growth can very well happen, and Jason has made that very well known to me.
I thought I knew quite a bit when I started, but from what I have learned from everybody there, every day you learn something.
He's invested in your growth. He wants to see you grow. He will invest in you to grow.
We're people first and foremost, and that we all have struggles, we all have wins, we all have things that are really important to us, that the more that I know as a boss, but the more that I know as a friend, really, really lets me be able to open up with my employees and to be able to give them the future that they want.
He's going to build everybody up at the company, not just himself.
The more we serve, the better it makes the world. We serve, that's what we do.